I want to review several key data points. They are shown in three graphs that I'm providing today. First is a graph showing the daily number of people testing positive. In the last half of May, Texas averaged about 1,500 positive cases a day. In the past 5 days in June, we've averaged more than 3,500 cases a day. Second is a graph showing the rise in the positivity rate. The positivity rate has gone from about 4.5% in late May to almost 9% today. Last is a graph showing the rise in hospitalizations. Hospitalizations for COVID-19 averaged just over 1,600 a day in the latter part of May. In the last 4 or 5 days, hospitalizations have averaged more than 3,200 a day. To state the obvious, COVID-19 is now spreading at an unacceptable rate in Texas, and it must be corralled. We have several strategies to reduce the spread without having to shut Texas back down. First, we need to have all Texans follow the safe protocols that we've all come to learn. Stay at home if you can, sanitize your hands, try to stay 6 feet away from others that you're not traveling with, and if you cannot stay a safe distance, wear a face mask or a face covering. Second, appropriate authorities are increasing enforcement. For example, TABC is shutting down overcrowded bars that are not in compliance. Counties are closing things like river park operations that have grown too crowded. Some authorities are requiring masks in congregated areas. Third, we are surging testing in areas that may be hotspots. We are working with the CDC on this effort. Also working with us on this effort, as well as the entirety of our strategies in responding to COVID-19, are citizens from Texas who are serving in the Texas National Guard. About 3,500 of them remain in active duty service across the state of Texas, helping our state respond to the spread of COVID-19, and I thank them for their service. Fourth, we're working with hospitals to ensure that they have the ability to treat anyone who tests positive from COVID-19. And fifth, I know that some people feel that wearing a mask is inconvenient or that it is like an infringement of freedom. But I also know that wearing a mask will help us to keep Texas open, because not taking action to slow the spread will cause COVID to spread even worse, risking people's lives and ultimately leading to the closure of more businesses.